It's Mike with Compass Heating and Air. We're here to talk with one of our good customers, Keith, here in Crystal Lake. Just to take a look at his heat pump system that we installed for him a couple years ago. So with regard to your home, how long have you lived here and what type of house is this? What kind of construction is it?
It's a Cape Cod style house. It's plaster and lath walls because it's built around 1920.
Nice and close to the lake.
Nice and close to the lake, yeah, because we wanted to have a place where the kids could walk to the beach, and we got that.
Very cool.
So had a forced air system, which there was a big octopus furnace, which nobody wants those. And the air conditioning was declining. I have a slight refrigeration air conditioning background and determined that the compressor was failing. I was looking at YouTube videos for ideas. I found this gentleman on YouTube, installer of several different types of systems, and the one he touted to be his best was a Daikin. So I called you guys at Compass, and you came to my home. We talked about the benefits of it, and I'd already thought, I want this, but I didn't want to tell you that right off the bat. So I said I wanted to buy it. We signed some paperwork, and your crew came out the next day. These guys worked so hard. They were so efficient. As a benefit, I got a system now that it's quiet, it's comfortable. The heat pump works down to around 23, 20 degrees, somewhere in there.
Okay.
And then it automatically switches to the gas furnace backup system. I don't have to do anything. It just does it. And the system works perfectly. I have a thermostat that goes with the system. I have complete control over heat, cooling, temperature, fan speed, everything. I'm very pleased. So,
fantastic.
Great system for me.
What was it that, Keith, that made you decide you wanted to go with a heat pump versus just a traditional air conditioner?
A lot of people are still new technology and they're afraid of it. I went into this thinking I want to go to the new technology, and the Daikin FIT just fit what I wanted to do, fit my home, my budget, me. It was perfect, you know. From the install, the crew showed up, three gentlemen. One guy was the lead, and he was managing the crew effortlessly. Everybody kept busy. They knew what they're supposed to do. The cleanup was beautiful. So in and out in one day, and the system was up and running, and it's been a joy ever since. Very professional, very courteous. I was very happy.
Excellent. Very good. Happy to hear it. Were there tax credits and rebates available when you put your system in?
From what I remember, I did talk to my tax lady, and we did get some benefit there. Don't remember what it was. And then also the power company, I sent that information to them, and they also gave me some rebate type of a thing. So this guy is full of savings for me. Well, Daikin's going to be here for the foreseeable future, and we're very happy with it. And I think that anybody who sees it and sees how it runs and talks to me will realize they should not be afraid of the new technology and move forward with an energy efficient system.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much for having us out today.
Thanks for your time. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys, appreciate your business.
And we appreciate you as well.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching the video. If you think a system like this would be a good fit for your home, give us a call or check us out online at compassheatingandair.com.